Going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol RSII, currently traded at 0106. Guys, there's been a ton of buzz on investors hanging out with RSII. I've seen it in the contest now for a few times, and right now, as of yesterday, you were in. If I can pull that up real quick, make sure that this is the correct one. Yes, it is. All right, so right here, actually, no, I do need to go to the updated one. Give me a moment. Let me pull that up. I just want to make sure that we're looking at the right one. Okay, there we go. I apologize about that. So, like I said, right here, RSII is in third place by Southwell. Stock pick RSII 0041, now at 0074. That was 80% as of yesterday. So these stocks right here, especially OWCP and RSII, so far they're going to be neck to neck today. It's going to be interesting to see how that plays out at the end. To see who actually beats who out of this, because they're seriously both trading the same exact way right now as far as the gains over the last few days. So that being said, I've noticed that this stock was in the contest a few times, but not this high up on the list. Now, of course, we're going to be taking a look at it. So we missed this one, unfortunately. But in my opinion, I mean, looking at the chart right now, obviously, you guys are getting up there right now. The RSI is at 94, and you guys spiked up to 0130. I'm going to put this one on a hold. You guys are completely outside that Bollinger Band right now. You guys got a solid gap under it. I think it's going to start pulling back down tomorrow. Not going to be too much for me to add into this besides the fact that I'm just telling you guys what I see looking back here to far past. I mean, we're working off of levels that you guys haven't seen now since 2013. And from the looks of it, that 0136 is definitely a resistance level going back to then also. Interesting. All right, so that is what I'm going to add in there for now. I'm going to put RSII. Had a beautiful run, everything. But right now, personally, I'm going to put this one on a hold.
All right, so they had a press release on February 15th, 2017, and it was Rising India Incorporated, RSII, announced on February 15th that is going to enter the 6.5 billion cannabis industry. So RSI India announced that the company is targeting opportunities in the cannabis industry. The company is in active negotiations to reach a letter of intent with business operators that are currently active in the cannabis industry. So the quote from the company is, "Our team has met with business operators that have real experience and expertise in multiple states and several business verticals within the cannabis industry," commented management. The business focus will center on working with physicians and pharmacists groups on the research and development of new cutting-edge treatments within the medical cannabis industry. Shareholders are encouraged to stay tuned to upcoming press releases and social media updates, where a detailed plan for RSII's entrance into the sector will be outlined. So about the U.S. and Canada, we pretty much already know about the cannabis industry and everything else. So let's see if there's anything about the company. I mean, right now it's pretty much they're getting into the cannabis industry. So I really don't know much about the company as of yet. And so it's pretty much like we need to wait to see what's going on. They're pink current, and that is pretty much all I have. Let's see what the company profile says. All right, so Rising Industry is a publicly traded United States company that accelerate growth through possible joint ventures, mergers, and/or new acquisitions pertaining to development and deployment of media. So that is their business description, and they basically, the last press release is how they were going into the cannabis industry. That's pretty much all I have right now, and I mean, they basically stated it right there. Stay tuned to see what's coming up with them. So until then, that is that. If you know anything of the company, feel free to go over onto the RSII message board over on Investors Hangout and share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily.
Okay, perfect, Joe. So again, for 222, like I said, 0108 hitting resistance, and chart is overbought. Hold, in my opinion, to begin pulling back. Now maybe to 01. or 007 to 006. You might say, no, that's just not possible. There's a very, very good possibility that you could tap down that low. Like I said, I'm just going to just make sure that I keep an eye out for that. So I'm going to put 008 in those steps. Perfect. So go ahead and keep an eye on this one. RSII, do I think it's over? No. For now, I would just definitely put it on hold. So again, stock ticker symbol RSII. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit subscribe right now. Head over to investorshangout.com/live to let us know about your favorite stocks. We'll be sure to add them to our list.